Welcome to Prior Deram Walk, a student accommodation in the heart of Coventry. This residence offers a range of en-suites and studios, providing you the choice between the independence of living alone or the comfort of sharing with a friend. The large windows bathe the room in natural light, creating a luminous and airy atmosphere. Relax on the cozy bed, perfect for streaming or scrolling through your phone. The sleek study desk, accompanied by a shelving unit, offers a stylish space for your books and stationery supplies. After a refreshing shower in the private bathroom, pick your outfit from the wardrobe. Before heading to classes, grab a breakfast bar from the kitchen or make yourself a refreshing cup of coffee. With the University of Warwick and Coventry University just a short distance away, this property is always buzzing with student activity. Explore local restaurants like Heat and Eat and Bigger Pan for delicious Indian and Chinese cuisine. On weekends, visit places like War Memorial Park or Coventry Transport Museum to learn more about the city and its culture. Life at Prior Deram Walk promises to be a joyride. Book your stay now through amberstudent.com and embark on an exciting experience in Coventry.